Hello mates, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Probably right now I don't have viewers, so I want to share. Give me a second. I want to share that effectively we are yeah that I am streaming and this is working. So give me a second because yesterday I tried to do it, but I did that. I did that, and I made a few mistakes. Even the the what the video channel, the audio was mute. So let me check. But I did that. Yeah, I think now is working perfectly. So welcome back. This is my new idea. I want to start building my personal brand. So this is probably the most effective way to create a personal brand. Live streams are the in my opinion the cornerstone of content generation and and getting traction through content. It's using this format of live stream. So if you are trying to do something similar, this is the way to do it. So okay, so let's try to do this. So today I want to talk about how to make money and how to make money with AI, but mainly how to not make money. Uh, how don't make money, how not make money. I think is the how don't make money. Yeah, I don't know. With AI. Yeah. First of all, take into account that I want to have. I want to build yeah like a rules when it comes to business rules for business and more. Yeah, I don't know if I yeah if yeah okay, yeah, it's kind of working. I was asking myself if Grammarly or this kind of tension Monday uh, is working right now. Rules for business businesses and monetization on internet, but monetization. Okay, yeah, probably it's the so I want to start just to point around some rules or some core principles that are important when it comes to to make money on internet. Why? Because in general, when you have cleared this type of when you have cleared these rules, so like probably you're able to avoid 99% of scams and people that are trying to they are trying to they are trying to sell things, uh, cool sales, um, subscriptions, digital products, PDFs, mentorship, those kind of things that in reality you are mainly losing money. By that way, I don't want to make this like a personal attack. Because probably through this video I am going to review some content creators, some influencers that they are creating content, and I am not going to be I don't want to make this personal. that is not like the idea that I am trying to. Yeah, that is not idea. The thing that I am trying to do here is is explain to you and try to save you pain and save you and in reality, I want to I want to save you like money because uh, human beings we are really prone to to follow our emotions and and be biased and take things that eventually doesn't work, but because sounds easy, sounds clever, is because we we buy this kind of courses, this kind of thing that the main promise is I am going to make you rich without much effort, with a high certainty, and that doesn't make sense. It's yeah. So let's get back. I don't know. Okay, so let's get back to raw. Okay, there is not such thing like easy money. Um, this is something that I want to set as as a core principle of this of this channel because eventually when you think in this way that there is not such thing like like a easy money is when you are protected, you know, because every thought that crosses your mind is filtered. Yeah, how do you say that? What is the right pronunciation for? Uh,
Filtered.
yeah, filtered. It's filtered by it's filtered. Give me a second. I want to be precise in my pronunciation. So um let me take let me uh yeah let me take this here filtered. Yeah. You can filter 99% of things through this rule. There is no such thing like easy money. Even and let's be fair. This is going to protect you against the 99% of of us of sales speeches, gurus, and it's a really valuable life role because when you think in this way you are not you're not exposed to to your feelings because we are, let's be honest, 99% of cases we are following our emotions, and when we follow our emotions or when we follow our mind in some way is when it's easier for gurus, scammers, uh, this type uh, these type of people to scam us, you know, because eventually your mind always your mind instantly wants to wants the shortcut, you know, wants the always want the shortcuts, always want the hacks, always want easy money, and sadly 99% of content on internet of uh, trainings, programs, communities, all those kind of things are based in in this in this psychological uh, wake point wake point, I think. Why? Because yeah, like yeah, this is a loop, you know, like uh, content creators, they know that people instantly are brown, or they want the hacks, they want the we want. I me as well. It's like this is not something that only applies for yeah only applies for me, only applies for you. Yeah, applies for me as well. You know, it's more like yeah. Um, my main point is more like I am yeah. We are prone to follow yeah or to get interested on this kind of hacks, on this kind of tricks. So there is not such thing like easy money. It's an incredible hack to yeah to build real wealth in the long term. Why? Because that remove 99% of noise, 99% of noise, 99% of yeah of these ideas that you could get rich only only watching videos or yeah or generating content non-stop. Yeah, give me a second. I love this coffee. So 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 yeah, so I am trying to to save your ass here and yeah and avoid that you spend a lot of money or yeah spend a lot of money trying to yeah pursuing something that you are not going to get. It's like there is not that is not there is no such thing like easy money. Okay, I want to introduce another role. Yeah, probably two. No, two. Okay, no, it's not. Um, come on. Um, there is not way. That is not way to make money uh, with AI. What do I mean? What do I mean by that? So, what do I mean by that? Yeah. So let me remove the number. Uh, there is no such thing. Okay, give me a second. Rules for monetization. We can make this. Yeah, now it's working better. So there's no way to make money with AI. So yeah, let's this is yeah probably yeah but I want to introduce a nuance here. There is no way to make money with AI, but there is many ways to make money using AI. Those things are not the same thing. What do I mean by that? It's like yeah, AI is a closed ecosystem. The only yeah the it's like yeah it's the same problem that in the thousands in the 2000s when people was selling yeah how to make money with internet. That concept is absurd, you know. And yeah, and probably right now you are getting what is my point. So like, there is no way to make money with AI like in the same way there is no way to make money uh, with internet. You make money using internet through internet, but not with internet. You know that is another thing. But let's say that this is only a semantic problem, and yeah, and I am going to explain. I will explain Um, yeah, why this is important for you to have clear. There is no way to make money with AI. So the only people that they are the only people that they are making money with AI. It's on Almond, Elon Musk, yeah, AI companies. Yeah, uh, the rest of the other human beings, we are users of AI, and we could use and leverage AI to make money, but not make money directly with AI. Even probably you can make money with AI. I don't know. This is not. I am not being picky here, trying to address a problem with semantic. Yeah, a semantic problem. It's more like this is important because I want to understand that AI is a tool. It's a tool, but you don't. Yeah, if you want to make money, you don't need to think in terms of AI. You need to think in terms of problems to solve. Even not with AI. AI is the means, not the ends. I think. Um, Let me check that. It is the means, not the end. Yeah. So that is my point. It's like usually when I speak with entrepreneurs, they start with AI. We are going to create this with AI, and AI is gonna to be this, is gonna to be that. No, yeah, you're about to make a big mistake because AI doesn't solve problems. You know, you solve problems and use AI to multiply, to enhance that results, to to make your company bigger, to make more money. But when you remove the problem from the equation that you are trying to solve, and you go directly with the solution, is when you get that 99% of startups and businesses uh, on internet, they don't understand eventually in the conceptually level what is the problem with their companies, with their ventures. So there is no way to make money with AI. AI yeah is going to give you leverage, but is not going to solve a problem. Let me share another example from the 2000s, early 2000. So uh, when mobile apps were really really popular, people wanted to create mobile apps only for the sake of creating mobile apps. It's like, I don't know, I have this problem, let's create a mobile apps. In the same way that when people were creating in the same way that when people were creating web pages, you know it's like, it's like you are not solving any kind of problem, but this is the problem when you are not a business person. You are probably a tech person, or you are more or this is aspirational, or you're not a real entrepreneur, because real entrepreneurs, they don't think in terms in terms of tools. They think in terms of solutions. Even when these days, yeah, even when nowadays AI is changing completely the landscape of internet. Uh, Still, you need to think. Yeah, this sounds absurd. Yeah, this sounds really absurd that I need to clarify this, but you need to think in order to make money, but eventually people wants to integrate AI to any kind of thing, and and make money with that. And a few months ago, we got this explosion of the current startups, or internet companies, trying to integrate AI to their products, when actually that didn't make any sense. It's like, I don't know, even for example, if you open Notion, so you have AI integrated as a feature. If you open Miro, Miro got an AI feature, and probably, yeah probably for some users, it could be useful, but in reality, this is more a false integration of that technology. It's like trying to trying to make much to think that probably people don't understand or people don't need, you know. And by the way, a comment aside, probably right now AI is accessible, is cheap, because because uh, because fund investors and big funds are backing these companies, but we don't know, if this is going to be yeah how accessible this is going to be, when yeah when those companies reach that limit of growth, and they start to think in terms of revenue. That is another important thing, and that is going to impact, because right now we're talking about layoff, foreign people, represent people with AI agents, and all those kind of things, but we don't know how this is going to be in a few years, when the demand for data centers uh, are high, and the offer that are low. And the energy problem, that is another thing that probably is going to be another bottleneck to a world that will be operating on AI mainly. But okay, close the side comment. Getting back to my point, there's no way to make money with AI. You so think like people in 2000s saying we are going to make money with internet. It's like, no, through internet, using internet. Internet is a multiplicator, but you are not. It's the same thing, mostly. It's like, you could be an internet provider. Yeah, you could. Even you could be a AI provider, and buy servers, and I don't know, and run your own company to run AIs, renting cloud computing. I don't know, but you get that point. So, mates, there is no way to make money with AI. I want to add another rule. Yeah, if there is supercar or mansion in the video is fake. Any kind of any kind of hint of success is a red flag. Let me explain a little bit this point. This is another cheat code, and I love this. Uh, but why I can't? Uh, 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 uh. No, no, R. Uh, uh, success is a red flag. Red flag. Okay. Yeah. This is actually the type of the type of the type of knowledge that could save you a lot of money, and and it's my cheat code. If you get this tip, you are going to be able to avoid to save your money from 99% of scammers. It's like there is a clear correlation between people that they are in a supercut or in a mansion in a big house or any kind of success in terms of money. That is a red flag. It's a big red flag. Probably that person is not making money from the actual thing that they are selling to you. Is they are making money through different things that they are not uh, yeah it's like it's a totally fake thing. So if there is a super card or a mention in the video is fake. Let me explain a little bit this. When you spot a video, when you get a video in your feed, or you are looking for some kind of information, performing a search query like how to make money with AI, how to make money with ChatGPT, how to make money with Gemini, how to make money with cloud, how to make money with cloud code, whatever, this kind of thing, and you spot, and you get a video when the background of this person, there is a supercar, it's totally a red flag, and it's a red flag because this is they are speaking with your brain, not directly with you. They are trying to communicate that they are successful, and that those things are proof that you are a successful person, that they are a successful person. And you could get that if you follow their advice, if you get their courses, if you get their community subscriptions, if you sign up in their courses, their formations, their things, their products, whatever rubbish that they are selling, you know. Um, and always they follow the same scripts, like supercar, a mansion, money, successful environment, and this is easy money, and you only need to buy my course, and I am going to make you rich, easy money, without much effort, and you are still on time, You only need to pay me $97 per month, and I will teach you how to do this. And yeah, and this is the part where you don't need to. Yeah, this is the part that I want to play the evil's attorney. I think is the concept in English, because this is the whole thing. We don't want someone that tell us that this is gonna be this is gonna be this is gonna be hard work, that we are going to yeah, that we are going to yeah, we will need to grind a lot. We will need to yeah, we will need to endurance the uncertainty of a business. We want someone that tell us this is the trick, and you are going to yeah, you are going to make 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 per month without much effort. And this is like the safest yeah, investment ever, because you only need to copy me, you only need to follow my script. But to follow my script you only need to pay $97 per month. That's a total lie. You understand, when you make a zoom out of this situation, you start thinking, wait, why these people is trying to solve, yeah, is giving me their secret for for $100 per month. Why? That doesn't make any sense. It's like people, yeah, it's like people, let me show you something. It's like it's like easiest way to make money with AI now. Zero code. Um, it's like how is like this mate. Probably he is 20 or something like that, and 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 he's making. I am at 7K month. It's like that doesn't make any sense. Like, yeah, if this is so, yeah, if you are making 7K month, what you are revealing that? If actually that is true, and I copy that, the system is going to change, and yeah, and I am going to yeah, and I am going to yeah, and I am going to what? And I am going to yeah, and that trick, the hat will disappear, will fade over time. Why? Because because the system, yeah, the whole systems are market proof. So let's say that this made have a modus operandi, he teach me that yeah, before this, yeah, this little trick, there were I don't know, 1,000 videos uh, on a particular platform. But right now there are 1 million, because right now there are, I don't know, 1,000 people doing the same thing. It's going to disappear, you know. So it's a total lie. It's like, even I don't need to, yeah, I don't need to check this, you know. Even yeah, even this guy, I made 7,500 in 3 days, selling PDF using Nano Banana. It's like, mate, don't believe that kind of thing. Probably, yeah, let's be fair, and probably you could watch this video, and you could yeah you could watch this video and see if you could get some kind of learning, but don't believe that this is this is a real a real money, you know. Even it's like it's like it's totally fake, you know. It's like using selling PDFs. Like probably someone with a big brand, a big personal brand could could make 7,500 7,500 uh, uh, yeah dollars per month with with a big with a strong personal brand. Why? Because when it comes to now we are this is a total contradiction of the core principles of monetization. It's like right now AI remove the knowledge barrier, and nowadays anyone could produce content non-stop, even free or almost free. And this guy is telling me that he's making money. Probably if probably he could make he could make this amount of money, but not because he had the secret, because eventually he could have a really strong personal brand, a niche personal brand, and people is open to is open to buy those PDF, because it's him, the person that is telling this thing. But knowledge is no more the barrier, you know. But probably this is a big scammer, like like and yeah and people start people don't believe in this anymore, or shouldn't uh, believe in this anymore, because because it's like it's a nonsense. Like it's like you're selling this idea that only with PDFs you could make money. Yeah, good luck with that idea, and learn a basic method.com. You know, the same modus operandi. How every day people are earning every day. Yeah, 6,000 month selling simple PDF files. Yeah. Yeah. But I could make that money. He could make that money, but he's so how do you say? He's so kind. So he's hearted,
Soft hearted.
soft hearted. He's so soft hearted that that is going to make you is going to charge you only $29 to make 6,000. So let me let me make the math of this. So calculator. So I'm going to yeah we will invest $29, and we are going to make the half of that money, because we are lazy and we don't want to make that amount of money. Even I am going to make 25% of that money, and not I'm not I don't have loss here. So so 29th Yeah, this is this is this is a return of investment of, let me check, is 500 is 500% or 5,000. I think it's 500% of, yeah, of return on that investment. It's like, you really believe in that? If you stop a little bit and think in this, yeah, in this way, it's like makes sense that someone someone that only needs to, yeah, only needs to invest $29, $30 could make 6,000. I make the, yeah, I make the calculation of yeah, using the 25% of this, roughly $1,500 per month. And it's like if my math is correct, it's around no, it's around 5,100% of ROI. It's like ROI. It's like, yeah, doesn't make sense. Any sense? Yeah, but this is so powerful that people still believe in this kind of thing. That this person holds the secret to make this insane amount of money, and there is people that are open to buy it. Yeah, it's kind of insane. It's kind of insane. So there is no such thing like easy money. There is no way to make money with AI. Is there is a supercar or a mansion in the video is fake. Any kind of hint of success is a red flag. It's like yeah, like yeah, probably with this, yeah, we are going to defeat this with yeah, this guy with the first role. There is no easy money. Yeah, sounds really easy to, yeah, sounds really easy to sell PDF and make money selling PDF. Sounds like sounds like a good deal. But yeah, that doesn't exist in reality. Okay, yeah, I want to, in the next videos, I want to what? I want to address every video, yeah, and explain to you what it takes to make money with, yeah, with using AI. Yeah, trying to clarify what actually it takes. What is the main concern? What is the bottleneck? For example, getting back to this mate, I know that it doesn't matter. Yeah, I understand that business. Like you are selling PDFs. That is a fair business. That is something that could work. But the problem is not generating the PDF. That is not the main constraint. The main constraint in this particular scenario is to, yeah, is to build the brand that is backing the PDF. It's like, if, yeah, if it's like, yeah, this is a nonsense. It's like uh seven, yeah, it's like seven 7,500. It's 2,500 per day. So if you work 30 days, uh, 7,500, 70, huh? 75,000 dollars per month, and that is, yeah, probably this is the money that makes the best developers uh, in the world, you know. It's a nonsense. Like, this is not this kind of business model doesn't, yeah, they can afford a basic logic test. Like, but yeah, getting back to this. So this is a, let's say, okay, let's remove the fog from this, yeah, from this method to make money. Yeah, you can make money selling PDF, but you need to build a really strong brand, a personal brand that could back your knowledge. It's like if Sam Almond makes a PDF about AI, he could charge, I don't know, $100,000 for that PDF. But if I make that same PDF, how much I could share for that? $1, $2. Even people don't want that free. I could say to you that I get the keys of success using AI, but it doesn't matter. People don't want to buy that. People don't want even to read that. You know, we are in the era of video. People don't want to read, and we got this type of people trying to sell us this idea that we are, yeah, that you could make $2,500 per day. That's an insane amount of money, make. Like, yeah, like, probably, yeah, probably, yeah. I want to close this video with a bold statement, because probably it could be useful. If you want to make money with AI, don't try to find information or frameworks or things here in YouTube, even on internet. Ask, yeah, you could ask AI to realistic ways to make money. And yeah, and part of this effort to build this content, to make this kind of streamings, this kind of streamings is for, for clarify, it's to give you context, to yeah is to walk you through my processes to evaluate an investment opportunity. This is an investment opportunity. You are, yeah, even when you're not spending real money. Probably you are only investing your time. Your time is valuable. So I really want I really want to what I really want to help you to find, I would like to really help you to find that way to make money with AI. And even when I really believe that at the end we are heading to the cliff, in the yeah in the yeah we are taught the cliff, because AI eventually will absorb uh, 90% of our jobs, our labor, our manual labor, with with robots, and yeah, and even I am imagining a future where people is going to, yeah, people is going to what people is going to give you, even when people is going to give you, yeah, people is going to to assign really difficult tasks like government, yeah, government execution, yeah, and eventually governments will take the control of AI companies. There is no way this is going to be a really, yeah, this is going to be a reality. I don't have doubts about this, because if AI, yeah, if AI becomes something so powerful, there is no way that government is open to lose that power, and is going to take arms, and is going to take AIs companies and control AI companies, because that becomes a what that becomes um, a security problem, like imagine if an AI, yeah, AI have, yeah, have the power to control part of the world, you know it's like, yeah, governments is not, yeah, they are not going to allow to that scenario. Mates, thank you for your time. Probably, yeah, probably this is not the best format for this kind of video, but I'm happy to, yeah, to be here speaking, yeah, speaking and thinking out loud about AI and helping people to find their way uh, toward monetization. And yeah, and if you have comments, thoughts, I encourage you to share those comments on, yeah, on the comment box, I think, the comment section, yeah, in YouTube, or if I upload this in another platform, so in that platform. I think that is all for today. See you uh, another day. Bye.